Good morning, everyone. Welcome to Pre-Market News and Views by Money Stocks. Today is Monday, November 4th, 2019. My name is Nick Santiago. Thank you all for tuning in today. All right, we have the S&P 500 E-mini futures trading up by 19.25 points to 3082.5 per contract. Looks like the futures had a good Friday, and they are moving higher again today. Looks like the catalyst this morning is more positive China trade talks. So it looks like, as at least from what we've heard today, Wilbur Ross was out there saying very, very close. U.S. is very, very close to signing that phase one deal. So we'll see how that shakes out. We'll see how it plays out. But in the meantime, markets are higher. Let's get started with stocks in the news because that's where we're going to try to focus and make some money. First stock we're going to look at is going to be Under Armour. This stock is getting hit this morning. Closed at $21.14, now trading at $18.18. Looks like the company has come under federal accounting investigations. So again, that is not good news for the stock. There's a lot of support, though, down around this $17 area. So we'll see if that holds. If that does break, then this company's got some bigger issues. But right now, it looks like there's definitely a lot of support at 17. That was defended right around 6 o'clock in the morning. All right, let's get over to McDonald's. They got some issues, too. Looks like MCD is the ticker symbol there. Looks like the CEO has gotten fired simply because he broke company policy and had an affair or was dating somebody in the workforce. So, again, nothing horrible there. I believe it was consensual, but either way, stock getting hit a little bit. I like McDonald's down here at this level. I don't think there's much downside at all to the stock at this stage of the game. Next up, let's take a look at Cisco Foods. This stock right now trading at $80.98, closed at $81.29. So you got a little bit of a haircut there. Not a big down day. It looks like this is on the back of earnings. We'll see if it does sell off. A lot of support around $76.50 if it does sell off today. So keep that on the radar. $76.50 for Cisco Foods. Next up, want to take a look at the Chinese ADR, Sohu. Looks like they reported earnings as well. Stock closed at $10.82. Now trading at $11.31. I don't see anything all that great here, nor all that terrible. The pattern on the chart, on the daily chart, is not a bad pattern. So you could go up to this moving average around $11.70. I would think that would be the maximum upside from what I can tell right now. But we'll look at this one once the opening bell rings. Let's take a look at some upgrades and downgrades. Harley-Davidson today being downgraded by KeyBank. Stock is trading at $38.64, closed at $39.33. I don't see anything really damaging yet on this downgrade. Harley has a ton of support at $34 today. If it does get there, I'm not sure it'll even get down that low, but if it does, that would be a buying opportunity for a day trade. Let's take a look at PZZA, which I believe is Papa John's Pizza. This got downgraded as well today. This closed at $57.98, now trading at $57.15. So a little bit of a downtick there. Stock has a ton of support just underneath $51. If it does fall that strongly, I wouldn't expect that right now. Let's take a look at Ferrari, which is ticker symbol RACE. This stock right now catching a very good bid. Closed at $161.38, now trading at $171.36. So $10 pop for Ferrari. But remember, this is very, very thin. Does not trade 1 million shares a day, and on average, I should say. So those stocks have a tendency to go higher than most people expect. So good pop for Ferrari. If you own it, trail the stop loss. If you don't own it, I'd probably leave it alone and stay away from it at the moment. Let's do one more upgrade here. Marvell, that is a semiconductor play. Stock is trading at $26.37, closed at $25.14. So good little uptick there. I don't think there's a lot of upside in this one, though, so be careful. If you look at the daily chart, you'll see that's a pretty big resistance pivot at around $26.50. So, again, that's really the upside that I'm seeing in Marvell today. Maybe it goes a little bit higher, but right now I would not expect it. All right, let's shift gears here a little bit. Let's go over to the crude oil market. Crude oil getting a little bit of a bid today. Stock is the commodity is trading at $56.86. So good little pop there for crude to start the day. I think crude has a little bit more upside in the cards ultimately, and right now it is moving towards that level. Next up, we have gold in play. The GLD today, or I should say, let's just go to gold futures. That is trading higher by $1.60. So gold is up a little bit today. You can see it did get a little bit of a sell-off here on this last candle. So we'll see how it plays out today. Again, I don't see anything terrible for gold. I don't see anything all that great. I think it's just a big consolidation pattern on the daily chart. Intraday action could be a little bit whippy, so we'll see how that plays out. And once again, if you have not done so, come on over, check out the live day trading room. We've had a fantastic 2019. We're going to look to keep that going right into the end of the year. And those of you that are In the Money Stocks members, do not forget on November 14th, I will be holding a seminar, Scene of the Crime. Learn how to trade it, learn everything there is to know about it, and that will be at 7 p.m. November 14th. With that being said, everybody, I'm going to leave it here short and sweet. I want to wish you all a great trading day, and we'll see you a little bit later on the charts.